Now the big picture is complete, which means that you can go ahead here and type in basically lists, posts. Then you'll see the list of all available posts over here, right? Be careful, sometimes you need to break the server and run it again. So let's do that just to emphasize that. So Control-C and run server. So go over here again, posts. All right, so we see that here we have this post button over here, and that is just because we have this in our code. So if I go to the views, remember views is where handles the requests. So I have a list create API view. So it is going to be basically create for me, and create is same as post. So here it's not clear that actually I have a list. So let's go ahead and create a new one. So I'll go post 2 and desk 2, and then price, let's say 2400, health, and my health is wrong, so it should be th at the end. But anyway, so view num is 0. Okay, so we could define it to be read only, but let's define it 0 for now, and I'll go ahead and say post. And now if I update my post here, you see that I have 2 of them, right? Let's say I want to see my primary key number or ID here, right? So what if you remember, I was mentioning data that we want to see would be in serializer. So let's go back to our serializer here. And serializer basically shows all of these. And these, if you remember, are copy paste from models. So I don't have any ID or PK over here, but these are things that will be created automatically by Django REST framework. So I will go ahead here and just add ID, okay, or PK, so they should be same, okay. And now I just need to go ahead here and click refresh. So those has been added for me, right? Now let's say I just want to see this number 2. So we have that defined as well. Where is it? That would be in my view in post detail, right? So, and that is going to be referred by this URL. This URL, if I have a number, that would be dealt with this one. So let's go ahead and put some number here. Okay, so as you can see, this is my ID1, this is my ID2, okay? I have now something different. On the previous one I had post, which means it's going to be creating something. Now I have put and I have delete. So this is because I have used different inheritance here. On my view here, post detail is going to be retrieve, update, destroy. So I'm retrieving it already. I can update it, which is the same thing as put, and I can destroy it, which is delete. So let's go ahead and call it, let's fix this actually. Oh, I can't fix this, but post description 2, update it, okay? Now it is here updated, so if I can show here, post put. Now let's fix this one. This is kind of bugging me, and actually that's good practice as well. So that would come from my models, and that would come from here, health. And for this one to take place, because it's model, and model is in our database, right? So we need to basically stop the server and migrate again, right? Because whenever we're going to sync our database, we have to do this 2 steps. Make migrations and migrate. And there we go. Now if I go here and then click on this one, and I need to run server as well because I stop it. run server. Okay, so now if I'm gonna see over here, now I have a th over there too. All right, so here's the big picture then. So we created two different URLs, this one and the one with integer after, and then those were dealt with in views here, right? And pretty simple.